Hey, this is Dr. Bryant at Chiro Plus. We have a great guest speaker with us today. I want to introduce you all to Matt Robinson of The Factory, which is here locally in Brea, California. So Matt, I'll turn some time over to you.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, guys, and just wanted to reach out, kind of explain a little bit about what we do over at The Factory. We primarily focus with athletes, athletic development, but we also have the pleasure of working with a lot of the adults on their weight loss journey, their fitness journey, so on and so forth. We've been open for about 7 years in Brea, and we've been doing fitness and wellness for about 15 years. So I spoke to Dr. Bryant. We know each other from high school, go way back, high school football, and asked me to come over and shoot a little video on some of the things that I see with people's fitness journeys, primarily weight loss and then fitness challenges that may ensue in that. So had a couple things I want to bring to you guys that I've seen over the last 15 years of experience. The number one thing is doing way too much, way too fast. And when you jump into either a fitness journey that you haven't embarked on before or a weight loss journey, or hopefully the combination of the two, you really need to go to a fitness professional. Chiropractic, physical therapist, you can go to a fitness trainer, athletic development specialist, anybody that you trust to really get you where you need to be. It doesn't have to be a super expensive thing, just something that has a scalable side to it, that has a plan in place, A to Z from where you are. Not some generic plan, but somebody that understands where you're at, where you want to go, and somebody that can help you along the way. So it doesn't really have to be super expensive. Just get with somebody that cares about you. The next thing is doing way too much cardio. So a lot of people, when they think about weight loss or fitness, I'm going to jump on and just start putting mileage in. Number one, if you don't have the volume of a marathon runner and you just go out and hit the pavement, you're going to run into a ton of injuries. I know Dr. Bryant's seen these injuries. We see them all the time as fitness professionals. Overuse injuries in the knees, ankles, hips, back, and it kind of just stems all the way up through the chain. So make sure you're not just doing a bunch of cardio, that you're actually adding some mobility, flexibility, stability work in there, just so that you can get off on the right foot and then you're not set back 2 weeks later when everything starts to hurt. Number three thing, I think it's kind of the biggest thing, is really focusing on the number rather than the overall health journey. So whether it be fitness journey, you just want to get healthy again, or weight loss, you want to drop some pounds because it's summertime. They both entail extra amount of work that your body's not used to. So if you get to that number, whether it be through diet, nutrition, a combination of both, and if it's just about that number, as soon as you get to that number, most people have the wheels fall off at that point in time. So you get to the number, you're happy, congratulations, it took some work, and then you're right back to the habits that you used to have before, which got you to the place where you needed to lose some weight. So rather than it be about the number, have it be about the journey. Really focus on longevity, big picture, not just the scale. Okay, scale victories are great, but there's a lot of other victories out there that are a lot more sustainable and that'll keep you in a healthy environment rather than just a number. So those are the three biggest things that we see. Want to thank Dr. Bryant for bringing us down. If you guys need any help, The Factory Performance over in Brea, California. If you guys like what you see, let us know. Let Dr. Bryant know, and we'll bring you some more videos of that. All right, thanks for having me.